So this is Richie grown up, and he's in the library 30 years after it died. God, his face is priceless.
I didn't.
Like, the guy's like, what the heck are you talking about?
Richie, I got a balloon for you.
Notice how he's doing the trick where no one else can see him but Richie?
What's the matter? One balloon, not enough. Try it!
Wow, that's a lot of balloons, man. He's like, what the heck is your problem? Yep, the balloons that no one can see or feel yet still makes them somehow flinch. Wow, that's... Seems like he's having a lot of fun there.
Is everything all right?
Yes, get out! God, tonight. You're too old to stop me. You're all too old.
Dude, don't tell someone how old they are. You're like more than 200 years old.
Do you have Prince Albert in a can? You do? Well, you better let the poor guy out.
Okay, this might be like one of those scenes where he's not really scary. He's actually pretty dang hilarious. Oh my God, look at him. Like, enjoying himself.
I'll see him tonight.
Jeez. Freaking mother of all mood swings.
Excuse me now. It's over. Would you rather running? It is. Well, you better catch it before it runs away.
So it is friendly to normal people, but the people that he tried to kill before he's not? What the heck?